Using AI in construction equipment, artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming construction equipment by making machines smarter, safer, and more efficient. Key applications: autonomous and semi autonomous machines. AI enables excavators, dozers, and haul trucks to perform grading, digging, and hauling with minimal human input, improving accuracy and productivity. Predictive maintenance. Sensors plus A. I analyze vibration, temperature, and usage data to predict failures before they occur, reducing downtime and repair costs. Operator assistance. AI based systems provide real time guidance, collision avoidance, and fatigue detection, enhancing safety on site. Fleet optimization. AI analyzes equipment utilization, fuel consumption, and idle time to optimize scheduling and reduce operating costs. Earth moving and precision control. Machine learning improves grade control and material handling accuracy, cutting rework and waste. Benefits: higher productivity and precision, improved safety and reduced accidents, lower maintenance and fuel costs, better project timelines and cost control. If you'd like, I can tailor this to earth moving, cranes, or road construction equipment, or related to construction management and cost control.